Sales tab, you get a clear overview of your company's overall sales performance. Click on the Quotes tab to view all your quotes. You can always issue, upload, or create a quote manually by clicking the New button. Next, click on the Invoices tab to view all your invoices. Under the New button, you can choose to create a new invoice or a new credit note. Now, let's create a sales invoice using our AI assistant. You can use the speech-to-text function, which supports English, Cantonese, Mandarin, and many more languages, without typing a single word, or simply type in your invoice request. In just a few seconds, the invoice draft is ready. Review the details and type Yes to confirm. Then, click on the invoice number to view the full details. Click Submit for approval, then click Approve. Click Preview to view your invoice in PDF. If you choose FPS as your payment gateway, the FPS code will be shown on your invoice. Your customer can simply make the payment by scanning the QR code. To create your own customized invoice, you may edit the invoice template format under Financial Settings. Now, let's try to settle the invoice. You may instruct the AI by text or voice. Review the details and type Confirm. The settlement is now booked. You may go back to your invoice or click Refresh to review the status. Click the Payment button to see the payment entry. And that's how easy it is to create and settle your invoice with our AI assistant.